Hello, what's up guys? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with an update video on MaticStaker because this thing is huge. Look, let's refresh maybe. $3 million in Matic on the balance. That's exciting, guys. So stay connected. Alright guys, so I'm back with a video. So we got this thing, I was doing videos when this thing was not even live. And I didn't anticipate it such good result. I've seen it with stable one, but with stable one, look guys, I'm not able to withdraw. So yeah, I'm only looking at the withdrawable amount, and they did like a 10 every 10 days withdrawal. You could still interact with the contract, but I'm not able to withdraw. But they had this reinvestment feature which did a lot of mess. So this one is going really good, and the Matic is actually doing good too. What it means is that your investment is going up while the Matic price is going up too. So that's great, guys. And right now, daily earnings in the savings plan, which now pays 50% ROI in 14 days. If you go with 100, you'll get 49.8. I did get only 36. So that's how they did it. And for new people that are going in right now, that's pretty nice and it's doing really good. So I guess it's still worth trying, right, guys? So let's go with 50. Just I cannot miss it. Let's add a little bit. Okay, let's confirm that. Yeah, the seeing this growth makes you think. And I like 10.7 daily earnings. I think that it will survive this 14 days at least, maybe more. So I'll get more now. I'll see my deposits here. A lot of people joined, so thank you guys for going in. This will help this channel to grow. uh you know that's how it works. So I will probably do some giveaways. I'm doing some giveaways, but there will be a gleam giveaway soon, so the details will be shared soon. I'm going into a business travel right now, so for a few days there won't be so many videos. But I had to do a video about MaticStaker because this thing is just I'm very really happy because that's actually we found this on day 0. So that's good, guys. We're doing good. Thank you for watching and see you soon on another video.